Draft revised regulations regarding the water use license application and amendments of 19th of May 2023. The team at Tricon is aware of the concerns caused by the recent media reports regarding the draft regulations published by the Minister of Water and Sanitation. Tricon is actively involved in considering and supporting the agricultural sector. Over the course of the next few weeks, we intend to provide more information on the process and what you need to know to protect your investments. As a starting point, the following are important to note. The issue of BEE ownership as a requirement within the regulations has already been dealt with by the Supreme Court of Appeals in 2012, and the Supreme Court of Appeals ruled against it. Agri-SA is taking an active role in opposing the draft regulations, which we via Agri-Gauteng will be contributing to. In addition, Agri-SA and various other parties have also expressed the objections to the draft regulations. There remains a formal process to bring the draft regulations to fruition, which means that time is available. The department is required to properly consider the submissions received and make the necessary amendments to the proposed amendments. A failure to do so would create a further basis to challenge the lawfulness of the regulation. We do, however, recognize that appropriate actions should be taken now to protect one's rights and investments. The content of the draft regulations are viewed in their current state as unlawful and unconstitutional, and should they be promulgated in their current state, would face a direct legal challenge through the court system. Once revised, regulations come into effect. They will apply to applications made from the date onwards. Applications made prior to any revised regulations would still be processed and conducted on the basis of the current regulations. Notwithstanding the regulations, it remains important to maintain or obtain compliance with the relevant water and environmental legislation. Tricon is available to assist and advise you regarding the draft regulations, as well as any other needs you may have. Please do not hesitate to contact us should you require any assistance. Tricon Environmental, integrated risk management services for agriculture, mining, petrochemical, and property development. Contact us at triconenv.co.za.